What is up, YouTube? My name is Orestes, and you probably haven't seen me for a long time on YouTube. I was doing it for about like 2 or 3 months back in summer 2024. Now back and still doing copywriting, still doing marketing, still fucking crushing it. But here's the thing: millions, well, I don't know millions, but thousands, hundreds of thousands of copywriters are still struggling to close their first client or like retain their clients that they currently have. Now, I want to tell you something, and hopefully you understand it. If you're a beginner copywriter or you're just like doing it for some years, you don't have a lot of experience with it, like actual experience, like you working with clients, and you basically like have that, you're not as confident as you want to be with your skills and with like how you get clients. Let me tell you something. No matter how many templates you use, no matter how many like secret tactics or like salesy words you use on your outreach, on your DMs, on like your personal brand or whatever you do in order to get clients, nothing really matters except one thing, and that is, let me write this actually so you can actually see it. Hopefully you actually can see the whiteboard, but it's being yourself. Do you see that? It's really, really important. The only thing that really makes the difference between a good copywriter, like in terms of like how many clients he has, and someone who doesn't have any clients or is really struggling to get any clients or retain the ones that he has or she has, is them being them fucking selves. That is the only difference. And I'm saying this because everyone thinks that you need to have a certain type of personality, you need to have a certain type of like, you need to speak a certain way or like whatever else, but it doesn't matter really, because the only difference between every like good and bad copywriter is just the good copywriter. Yeah, sure, he has the skills, but also he is himself. He doesn't portray someone different. You know, a lot of people, like there's this like a lot of kids from like Hustles University or like the Real World, whatever its name is now, they want to like portray this like G, you know, like I'm at the gym, like I only eat steak, I only like I work out, I just write copy all day, I outreach all fucking day, I don't do anything else, my mind is only in business. Now that's it, is fucked. That is because 99% of the people that say that that's not their personality. They want to be doing other shit. And you know, in order for a business owner to believe in what you have to say, in order for them to like trust you, to work with you long term, or even work with you in the first place, they need to know the real you. And trust me, like if they don't know the real you, your real self, they're gonna know either way. So they're not gonna work with you. Nobody wants to work with a liar or like a facade, you know? So there's these people saying that when you hop on sales calls, you need to be fucking like wearing a suit, you need to have a watch on you, you need to have all that stuff in order to stand down, just look professional. Bro, any business owner that expects you to do that is probably not the business owner you want to work with. What they want to know is like if you know your shit, if you're a chill dude, and if they can like get money out of you. That's the only thing they want to know. Okay, in order for you to like communicate that, you just need to be yourself. You need to use the humor that you're using in your everyday life with your friends, and use the same humor when you jump on a sales call. And that is the secret to getting clients and retaining them. You being your fucking self. Because after a certain point, if it doesn't matter how much money you make them, it doesn't really matter. Like let's say they pay you like let me actually remove all that shit from here. Like, let's say you have a business that pays you 2K a month for emails, okay? And for that 2K a month they pay you, you make them, let's say you make them 10K a month, which is pretty low. Like the ROI is like 5 here, it's pretty fucking low, but it is an ROI. And then you have another like thing where they pay you like 1.5k a month. Fuck, I can't write. Sorry for my handwriting. And for emails, and you make them 100k a month. Who do you think they're gonna keep? Like, let's say this dude is chill, and this dude is not chill. Who do you think they're gonna keep? They're paying 1.5k a month to get 100k a month, 2k a month to get 10k a month, but this dude is chill and this dude is not. You would probably think that they would kick this dude because they don't care about him being chill, and they would keep this dude because they make 100k a month. And that might be the case sometime, but here's the thing. Business owners want to feel safe. They want to feel that they have an in-house member, a person that they can depend on. Okay, whatever shit hits the fan, no matter how much revenue that guy's making them, they want to know that I'm safe with this dude. Okay, and that is the whole point of being chill. I'll tell you what, I've had more experience than you probably watching this video in marketing and copywriting, and I know for a fact that they will keep this dude, even though they make it like a ROAS or like an ROI of like 5, whereas here it's like way more. Okay, because being chill and being yourself communicates that, okay, this dude is chill, I can communicate to him like exactly as I want, I can speak to him like as a bro, as a friend, and that is what separates like him from an agency, from some dude that only cares about me paying the invoice. And regardless of how much money they're making, obviously, yeah, okay, the difference here, 10k to 100k is big, but the point I'm trying to make is like, it doesn't really matter how much you're making them. What more of so like matters is like the relationship you have with them. That is the secret. That is the game you're playing as a copywriter. You're playing the relationships game, and you will go after a lot of short-term deals, like in discovery projects. Some sit with a person that you don't want to work with, but you're going to do it just for the money. But the real sauce, the real like happiness, let's say, you get out of copywriting and marketing is by working with people you actually want to work, and with them working with you who they actually like because you're chill. So stop impersonating someone else. Start being your fucking self. Don't use average templates or like sleazy DMs just to get the sale because they feel that. But if you just be yourself and you make a conversation with them as you would with someone down the street, that's who they're probably going to work with. They're probably going to like you, and if they like you, they might work with you. But if you use salesy tactics and if you use templates, like mechanical shit that everyone else uses, and you're not creative and you're not like being yourself, eventually you will realize after you've sent way too many emails and way too many DMs that they don't fucking care. Whether you tell them, like you can tell them and you can guarantee them that they will pay you 1.5k and you will make them 100k, but they're not going to believe you because your average template or your processes or whatever are outdated. They're like the same as everyone else, and it doesn't show some kind of personality. Okay, so that's why you just gotta be your fucking self. I hope you guys understand that. I don't know, like that was the whole point of the video, and yeah, I'm gonna start getting back on YouTube like a little bit more because I liked it when I did it in summer, and I don't care how many people watch these videos. I know that the people that will watch these videos will actually learn like what it actually takes to succeed in this fucking game. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, leave a like and subscribe. If not, it's all good. Have a good one. Bye bye.